Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, as you have seen in the title, we have got some more Madam Glam products to look at, and we're also going to be doing some Halloween nail art, so I'm really excited. Halloween nail art is like my favourite. It's my favourite time of year is doing Halloween nails. I feel well in my element, so I'm really excited about today's video, and I've got some gorgeous new products here to show you from Madam Glam. So yeah, let's dive into the video. Let's have a look at the colours first. I'm going to swatch them, and then we're going to do some cool nail art. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to see more videos like this. And yeah, other than that, let's dive in and have a look at these products. So the first one we are going to look at today is this one, which is a bright red, and it's literally called The Red. So it's literally, it is the perfect red. Obviously you can see a swatch on the top, but we're going to swatch it on the swatch stick anyway. I love Madam Glam products. I find their gel polishes are absolutely incredible. Red is my favourite colour, and it's probably one of my most commonly used colours. So I thought it'd be nice to try out their red. And I know I'm going to be using this all of the time, literally, especially at the minute of Halloween. It smells like bubblegum. It smells really nice. I've never noticed that before with any of the others. This one really smells bubblegummy. I wish smell-o-vision was a thing so you guys could smell it, but that smells really good. Yeah, that's interesting. I've never noticed that of any of the others. This one really does smell like bubblegum. But like, they're beautifully pigmented. They're a lovely formula. They're all vegan friendly. Henna free, I think. Is it henna? Let's have a look. They're certified vegan, cruelty free. They've got a 21 free formula. They're palm oil free and they're henna free. So you really can't get much better of a formula than you can with Madam Glam. That is The Red. Isn't it stunning? Next up we have got this one, which is Pink About You. At the moment, as it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, Madam Glam are actually discounting all of their pink gels throughout the whole entire month of October, and they'll be donating $1 per bottle sold to the Survivor Breast Cancer Organisation. Also, for every order over $100, customers will receive a breast cancer awareness keychain, which I think is really nice. So I thought I would get a nice pink to sort of show you guys. But if you guys are looking into purchasing some, so yeah, this one's called Pink About You. Look at that colour. It is such a pretty colour. I will be using this today to do some Halloween nails. I think I'm going to do some Hello Kitty themed Halloween nails, because I've got this Hello Kitty charm that I want to use as well. And I thought, you know, cutesy, we do pink with the red and just sort of make like some cutesy nails Halloween themed. Because we don't all want like, you know, horrific sort of spooky ones. As much as I enjoy painting them, sometimes people like, you know, sort of nice, friendly, sweet Halloween themed nails. We don't all want clowns and ghosts and stuff all over them, do we? So I thought we'd do that today. Look at that for a colour, isn't it stunning? And like I said, any pink gels bought throughout the month of October, $1 from each bottle will be donated to the Surviving Breast Cancer Organisation. And yeah, if you place an order over $100, you will receive a breast cancer awareness keychain too. Okay, so next up, if you've watched my previous Madam Glam video, you would have seen that I had a silver chrome paint, and I really liked it. So I've got the rose gold chrome paint and the gold chrome paint as well. So let's swatch these. I'm really excited about these. So annoyingly, I do actually have the perfect brush from Madam Glam for applying these gels with, but it's not in my pot. I don't know what I've done with it. So I'm just going to have to use one of my others for now, which aren't as good. I don't know what I've done with that. I've misplaced it somewhere. I can't see it anywhere on my desk. I'm really good at that with my brushes. I'm useless. That's why I have so many brushes, because I lose them all the time. I'm making a right mess of that. This is the gold one. I really like the formula of these. They're really nice. Well, the silver one was this. I've only ever tried the silver one, so it'd be nice to see what these ones are like. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Yeah. So yeah, this is the gold one. They're really pigmented as well. You really don't need a lot. Like the tiniest little bit goes really far. You can proper apply it real nice and thin, as you're seeing, and look at the coverage. They are so pigmented, they're wicked. Yeah, tiniest little amount, and see how well that's going on. I also have a discount code for you guys as well, which is in the description box of every single one of my videos. It's SammyJ35. That will get you 35% off all your orders. They do also do their VIP membership, which I think gets you 50% off of everything each month if you pay their subscription. Okay, that's really nice, pretty gold. It's really bothering me though, I can't find that brush. It probably is amongst my brushes as well, I just can't see it, there's so many in there. I finished it in my last video though. It's a really, really, really nice brush for painting with. So this one is the rose one. Just got a little amount on there. So it's very sort of, it looks like silver, but it's just got that slight sort of pinky tinge to it. You see how pigmented they are. You see how thin I'm applying it. I'm being like quite firm with the brush as well to get like a real smooth application. But they are so, so, so pigmented. So there's that one. So that's the Rose Chrome Gel Paint. You'll see a swatch on the lid. Looks almost bang on with the actual swatch on the stick. So I love it as rose gold. It doesn't even say rose gold, does it? It says rose chrome. There's me saying rose gold. It's definitely got that sort of pinky tone to it compared to the actual gold. It's really nice. They just apply so nicely. I think they'll be really nice to do some freehand nail art with. And they're really good size little pots as well. But these are the same again with the formula. They're all really, really nice formulas if the camera focuses. Like, they are just nice healthy formulas. They have got all the ingredients on there too, which we like. It says do 4 minutes a coat. Oh, 2 minutes a coat for LED lights, or 4 minutes for UV light. But yeah, I really like these. They are really good for freehand painters as well. But we will be using these in a minute anyway, so you guys will see. Okay, and then finally we've got some Frosting 3D Art Gel. If this is the right stuff that I think it is, then this is like that 3D sort of mouldable gel. You can like make your own like 3D art on the actual nail, or you can make yourself like your own little charms and stuff with it. So it's really thick but mouldable. Yeah, so you see that? It's just like a really thick. But we'll use that today anyway. I will try, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but we will try and do something with that, and then you guys will see a bit more of how it works. But it just brings your nails to the next level, you know. Okay, so there we go. That is the 4 colours I've swatched, and obviously we've got that to play with in a minute. See how beautiful they are though. You've seen the pigment. I only applied 1 coat for all of them, and they are like, you couldn't get more pigmented if you tried, I don't think. So yeah, they're beautiful. I'm really excited to work with them. So let's crack on. Let's do some Halloween nail art. Like I said, I think I'm going to go Hello Kitty themed. I'm only going to do a short set of nails today. I'm not going to do as long as I normally have been, because lately it's all been long, long, long sets, isn't it? So I'm going to do something a bit shorter. But yeah, let's have a play. Okay, so as me saying I'm going short, I'm going shorter. I can't find any short tips right now. So I'm sort of, they're still pretty damn long, but they're not as long as normal. But yeah, I'm going to put on some music anyway. What nail should I do first? I'm going to do the baby nail first, I think. But I'm just going to put on some music because I don't want to make this video extremely long, because I don't want to bore you all to death. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy, and I will catch up with you at the end of the video. So hey, I am back. I've done quite a simple design just because my camera battery is starting to get a bit low. So it's just a basic cutesy sort of design. I'm quite happy with it though. You know, not all Halloween nails have to be scary, do they? They're not even that Halloweeny apart from the pumpkin. But those gel polish have been lovely to work with. I didn't manage to use that much. I did use it to adhere the charm there, which is something that you can do with them, but I didn't manage doing like 3D art of it just because I wasn't really too sure what to do. But I will be doing another video soon where I will do something more 3D of these. But I'm really happy with the design actually. Quite quick and simple, beginner friendly, and the gels are just lovely to work with, so pigmented as you've seen yourself. So it's just minimal effort to do a design like this. And yeah, I'm really happy with them. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But I always love working with the Madam Glam products, and I can't wait. I'm sure I'll be using them a lot more throughout this Halloween season. So chuffed that I've now got the red, and the red is such a good red, and that pink's a beautiful colour. That is it for today's video. Hopefully it's not been too long. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have, please remember to give it a big thumbs up for me. I will link all of the products featured in this video down in the description box. Like I said, I've got my discount code for you, which is SammyJ35. That'll get you 35% off your orders. And yeah, that is everything. So thank you very much to Madam Glam for sending me these products. I really like them. Hope you guys liked them too. And yeah, I shall see you in the next video. Much love to you all. Bye.